Okay, dear subscribers, finally I got this dump truck. It's a 2000 Mitsubishi MiniCab, 27,300 miles, four-wheel drive, high-low gear, power steering, AC, ELD lights in the front, ELD lights inside the cab, remote control, remote opener for doors. What else? Dump truck. I just replaced, I took it to Crosswell Hydraulics. They replaced seals, brand new seals on the pistons, both of them. It's two-stage. So I didn't really paint the bed like I usually do, but if somebody wants me to, I'll paint it. I'm just pooped enough. Very nice truck, perfect shape, yeah. Low on miles. This truck, that's what everybody wants. It's got everything: AC, power steering, 5-speed manual, four-wheel drive, high-low gear. Everything works. Here's your four-way flushers. That's the four-wheel drive. Let's turn it off. So it's a button operated. Yeah, but you gotta drive a little forward to engage. Let's see. Right there, yeah. Four-wheel drive, high-low, 5-speed manual, radio works. Oh la la. AC works. Oh, there's a yellow button. The Japanese guy put some extra chargers, USB port, and ELD light here. Very clean. Somebody been smoking. I never clean the ashtrays. I need to start clean the ashtrays. That's the operation for the dump. So you gotta hold it until you'll see little truck shows up right there. Then you release it and start operating. So here's the dropping. First stage and second stage. Same to do the opposite. You just push it. Oh, actually it's already there. Dump works perfect. No leaks anymore. I still gotta spray a little with cleaner from old oil. Perfect truck. Utility light. I gotta probably turn that light on. It's not working. It just worked. Interesting. Let's shut it off. I don't know, my battery died. I don't know at which point, so I'm gonna just tell a little more. So, inspection, Japanese 2025 last one, brand new Geolander tires. This is light, very good tires with very aggressive grip. They will go anywhere, four-wheel drive, high-low gear, and you rolling them. So I put 2-inch lift kit, front and rear. Rear, you can go up to 3, I think, and a half and 4. There's a couple extra holes. Also, I put brand new tire spare. It's a brand new tire. So everything works, but this light it was working, and then I guess I need to replace the bolt probably. It was working, not anymore. Work again. So if anybody interested, nice truck. I don't know if I stopped video when did I show the remote or not. Let's try. Previous video already was there. Okay, enough for today. So if anybody interested, give me a call, 937-510-8059. Sam, you have a blessed life, and I'll see you in another video.